वीडियो देखने से पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।
Right, so when we talk about health and medicines, a new term and a new concept has come up. That's called Dawa Box. Well, it's a generic medicine franchise which has a slogan saying hashtag Sehat Bhi Bachat Bhi. Well, we have the director right here with us of Dawa Box. We have with us Mr. Rahul Agarwal, the director, Mr. Harjeen Anand, the director Mr. Hardik Rughani ji, and we have the director Mr. Sri Hari Pandev ji. Firstly, welcome and congratulations for this amazing concept that you have.
Thank you. Thanks.
All right. To begin with, so basically, Rahul ji, I would like to ask you, what is Dawa Box and how does it work?
Dawa Box is a unique medical franchisee, generic medical franchisee, which offers you WHO GMP certified generic products.
All right.
And it works on basically franchising model, offline as well as online. So
That's how it. Okay.
Yeah.
And why you think that we all should take Dawa Box and we should take the medicines from Dawa Box?
see, generic medicines, our focus is on generic medicine.
Right.
So generic medicine is comparatively or branded medicine is economical.
Right.
So currently is the saving requirement due to pandemic. People are looking forward for how to save the money on medicine.
So basically, budget, as you said. So can we trust how we all, the entire world, trust on the branded medicines? So can we trust these medicines which are not as branded as the bigger one which has been advertised? So can we trust
Yeah,
them?
you can, because the branded medicine has a specific expenditure like clinical trials,
Correct.
like marketing, promotion. So they have to spend millions of dollars on that particular part. After the clinical period is over, the same medicine, the same molecule can be manufactured by a WHO GMP certified or any manufacturer who has a proper license. So medicines are the same. The molecule remains the same. Clinical trial is over there. So the effect is same. The expenses what the company has done on the promotion and the clinical trial is not been done by the another manufacturer. So automatically there is an economical way. It gets cheaper for the patients also, and it is available through the box.
Correct. So sir, why this concept has come up? Why you started with Dawa Box?
See, looking at the situation, the idea was already before pandemic it has been in the mind. But during pandemic, looking at situation, we speed up our thing and we have started with, in a budget, people will get the medicine. Also certified healthy products we are also providing. Certified and proven track record devices. So all these things we are providing in the box.
So basically, it's certified but very cheap rates, and it will serve exactly.
I will say economical, not cheap, because again when
Of
it
course.
comes to cheap,
Yeah, the
So
mindset becomes different.
different.
Absolutely, I totally agree with you. And I was also thinking how this is going to help the solopreneurs right now. What do you think that is Dawa Box going to help the solopreneurs?
I think for that the right person will be
Mr. Mr. Pandev, yes, Mr. Sir, बताइए आप किस तरह से it will help the solopreneurs?
Currently, if you look at the business choices that offer you an economical investments, return on your investment, they are shrinking because of corona.
Right.
And in these times, we feel that the pharmaceutical industry offers you the right return on investment. And our model is precisely based on how we can augment or how we can make the customers reach to our final shops. So we have, just like Mr. Rahul had said, we have online as well as offline methodology to reach to the end use customers.
Okay.
So through these models, we will be offering all the medical services ranging from diagnostics to pharmaceutical services through Dawa Box, and they will be offered through online as well as offline mode.
Right.
So it will make the franchise owner, the business will be profitable because customers are reaching you through walk-in modes as well and through online mode as well. And so it will provide them a better chance of getting their business. And in this way, it will be more profitable for the entrepreneurs that they are looking to get in association with us. And in this entire business, everyone is going to get a benefit out of the cheaper, what we can say, affordable medicines. So the end use customers is also happy, the franchise owner is also happy, and the manufacturer is also happy because everyone is getting a chance to reach to the end use customers through our model.
Okay, if I may ask, what is the tentative difference between the the in percentage ratio, if we can mention that, what would be the tentative difference of the branded one and Davabox?
If you look at the marketing model or the spending model of the manufacturing industry that is based on branded medicines,
Right.
they have to almost spend 80% amount on research as well as marketing.
Right.
Almost 60 to 50% of their amount is spent on marketing. So that is a huge amount.
I agree.
For generic industry, as they are not expected to invest into clinical trials or drug trials, because they're already offering something which has already been tested and which has already been proven beyond any doubt. So that is first point. You don't have to invest in any kind of research, so that saves your cost.
So-
Second is
I'm sorry, I'm interrupting.
Yes,
You mean
please.
to say that, as he said, Mr. Rahul said,
Yes.
so in generic medicines, the what do you call the making
Clinical.
of the
Yes,
making the
making.
formulas are the
Yes.
same. It's
Yes,
just you
definitely.
are creating it.
Yes.
So already been tested and done.
Correct.
Before. That's the main difference.
Because we manufacture drugs as a generic manufacturer. We manufacture drug only after their patent has expired. So, say for example, the drugs are in use for 15 to 20 years,
Right.
and we manufacture post that patent.
I see.
So that's why we don't have to invest into going for drug trials, which is a huge investment in case of branded pharmaceuticals. And secondly, if you look at the marketing, the marketing part is quite huge in case
Yes.
of a company.
Yes.
So when that cost is excluded from your entire budget, it is roughly around 80% of your total spendings.
Oh, amazing. Wonderful.
Yes, and that's why generic medicines are so affordable to everyone, and that's why everyone is looking at generic medicines. And a second point must add here, why generic medicines are going to offer you the same efficacy that is there with the branded medicines. Whatever generic manufacturers they are manufacturing, they have to abide by the same rules and regulations or same regulatory frameworks that are abided by all the branded manufacturers.
I see.
So WHO certifications, GMP certifications, there are some technical jargons, but these are some of the what we can say regulations that everyone is expected to follow. So there is no doubt about their efficacy, their effectiveness. So in that perspective, I will definitely see that in the coming days, Davabox will be addressing to all individuals who are looking for quality medicines, but that don't attack their pockets.
That's wonderful. It's a great, smart move. Well, so basically, I would also want to ask, how does it, sir, आपको पता पूछना चाहूँगी मैं, how does it help the society? Like, as he already said, it's going to reduce the rate and all that. But apart from that, any other benefit that the society will get out of Davabox?
See, basically, we, as Rahul sir told and Hari sir also had added some information on that. So I would like to top it out with saying that healthy lifestyle is the right of every human being.
Absolutely.
We believe in that way of working. So basically the concept is so beautiful and hybrid, as Hari sir also has told, it is a hybrid combination where we are giving both the types of connectivity with the major of the machineries which are having the artificial intelligence. If I quote, the artificial intelligence working is also going parallel with Davabox. So all this has proven track record of whatever offerings we are having to the society. And the next is Davabox is now on that stage we will be bringing health literacy to every Indian. So basically we are working on that way.
Amazing, wonderful. And to, before we say goodbye, I would definitely want to ask Mr. Harjeet Anand sir, you have been always leading a lot of not only the companies, but then you have been always been seen to bring the best of people and the talent and something or the other. You have been associated where, yes, ultimately you have been dealing with the business, but you have also helped the society. So I want to ask you, sir, how did you and what came into your mind that you would want to promote Davabox, and how do you plan to promote Davabox?
See, Prerna, as you said, from last 31 years I am a Rotarian.
Yes.
And main, other than business, the main thing is how to, help the masses.
Right.
Now everybody is affected. Every household is buying medicines of 10 to 12, 15,000 rupees. even all the ages. I'm not talking about senior citizen, I'm not talking about chronic diseases. Diabetes is everywhere, blood pressure, all the ages. So 10 to 15,000, if it comes down to 1,500, 2,000, there's, that kind of rationing is coming to their house. So in Dawa Box, as my directors, they have told that it saves money, and then ultimately what medicines we are having, they are not the cure. They are actually controlling the diseases. In Dawa Box, we have got some equipments and some products which we have brought from America, which are actually cure of cancer, cure of malaria and chikungunya. And then device what I am talking about, Sanjeevani, is device which cures your cancer and all those diseases. We are to our franchises, as we are planning thousands of franchises pan India. So and very soon at least hundreds of them will be seen all pan India. So in our franchises we are giving one generic medicine, the Sanjeevani device as a revenue model. जिसमें कि वो रेवेन्यू मॉडल में दे कैन क्योर द मासेस इन 1 hour, 2 hour, whatever treatment they take, and it will cure them, it will control them, and ultimately medicines बंद हो जाएगी इनकी. And then we are giving the lot of organization like ISKCON, ब्रह्मा कुमारी, ये सब जो बड़े बड़े NGOs हैं इनको हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं, और इनको हम ये जो अपने डिवाइसेस हैं रेवेन्यू मॉडल पे देंगे. देन वी हैव गॉट अ डिवाइस विच इज़ ब्लड टेस्टिंग. 300-400 रुपये में उनके 30 टेस्ट जो हैं उसमें हो जाएंगे, और जो कि 10-15 हज़ार पता नहीं कितने लगते हैं, इवन ECG. तो दोज काइंड ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट वी आर ब्रिंगिंग विच इज़ एक्चुअली गोइंग टू हेल्प द मासेस. लाखों लोगों की ज़िंदगी बचेगी कि जो कि आज पैसे भर भर के मर रहे हैं बेचारे. सो दिस इज़ अ कॉन्सेप्ट where it is a win-win situation for everybody. Even franchisee is making money plus he is helping the, and it's different than others. Dawa Box is different than others because this is not just a chemist shop. This is actually helping people. Our main, हमारे जहन में, हमारे दिमाग में मेन ये, और हमारे पास में NGOs का सपोर्ट है, ताकि हमारा मेन मकसद है कि लोगों को लोग भलाई करना, मासेस तक ये चीज़ पहुँचे. That is the main ideology behind the whole thing.
Yeah, so maybe because of the Rotary, being a Rotarian, I think this was the spirit of yours to help others. That was lovely to see you all, and I think that Dawa Box is going to help from the basic to the chronic diseases. Just not to cure them, but also just eradicate them from their life. So thank you so much. That's how it is helping the society.
Thank you.